Did you know that according to LinkedIn, there are more than 628,000 data scientist jobs available worldwide? And of course, this number would be much higher if we consider other job boards as well. This shows the great demand for the professionals in this field right now. But here the question comes, why? So as we all hear, that data is the new oil of the century, and that is the reason why every organizations work on data to find some meaningful insights for making their better data-driven decisions. And this is one of the reasons why Harvard Business School also makes the bold claim that data science is the best and the hottest career choice of this 21st century. So with this video, we will try to answer all of these questions about what data science is and why it's becoming one of the game changer in almost every industry right now. But before we begin, please make sure you subscribe to our ZaranTech YouTube channel and hit that bell icon to get regular updates from us. With that, let's jump on to our video and we'll see what makes data science the backbone of our data-driven work.
Okay, now if we start with data science, then we can see here that there are two terms in it, data and science, right? And if we talk about data, then that basically refers to the raw information that is collected, stored and processed. Like in today's digital age, there are enormous amounts of data that are being generated from various sources. Like it can be sensors, social media, transaction and many more like this. So this data can come in two formats, that is structured and unstructured. Now if we talk about the term science, then that basically refers to the systematic study and investigation of phenomena using some scientific methods and principles, like conducting experiments, analyzing data and drawing conclusion based on the evidences that we have. So when we put together these two elements, data plus science, then that refers to the scientific study of data, which basically involves applying scientific methods, statistical techniques, computational tools, and domain expertise to explore, analyze, and extract data from any given raw data. Now, as you can see the diagram in the right, that clearly shows that data science is nothing but a combination of mathematics, computation or programming, and the domain expertise. So that is what data science basically is. Now, let us try to understand this with a very simple example of our daily used social media platforms. Now, just imagine that you are scrolling through your favorite social media platform, let's say Instagram or Facebook, and you suddenly notice that there are certain types of posts that always seem to grab your attention. Maybe it's cute animal videos, some delicious food recipes, or an inspiring travel photos, right? Now, if you see this from the platform's perspective, what they want is to keep you engaged and coming back for more to their platforms. And this is where data science comes into play. They collect a tons of information about what you like, share, and comment on. And then they use data science techniques to analyze all of this information to basically understand your preferences even more better. Now, for instance, they might notice that you spend more time watching animal videos than looking at any food recipe. So, armed with this knowledge, they can then customize your feed to show you more what you love, like the adorable pets. And they might even predict what type of pet video you are likely to enjoy next based on your past behavior. So in this scenario, data science is the magic behind the scenes that basically helps social media platforms to understand your interest and tailor your experience to keep you engaged to that. And that we as a normal people generally not able to understand the science behind that. So it's all about using data to make your online experience more personalized and enjoyable. So now that we understand what data science is, we can simply put it as a multidisciplinary field that combines elements of computer science, statistics, and domain-specific knowledge to basically extract insights and knowledge from the data using various techniques like machine learning, data visualization, and data mining, right? Okay. Now moving forward, let us look at another practical example of customer purchase prediction. So where we will see in a proper step-by-step manner of how data science helps to solve their problem. Now just imagine yourself working for an online store and you want to figure out if a customer will buy a product based on their browsing behavior. So here basically data science comes into play by analyzing their activity on your site to make more accurate predictions about their buying choices. By using data science, you can turn the browsing patterns into some valuable insights that basically helps you to understand the customer behavior and make a good informed business decision over there. So here, the very first thing that we do is we define our business objective. So we basically want to predict which customers are most likely to make a purchase so that we can focus our marketing efforts on them only. And this is where data science really shines. Next, we move on to the data collection phase, where we basically gather data on customer interactions, like what products they are browsing, their purchase history, and demographic informations. So all of this data provides a detailed picture of each of their customers. And once we have the data, now it's time for the analysis. So here we'll look for the patterns in the data that might indicate a customer is likely to buy. For instance, customers who frequently view a particular product or who have made a similar purchases in the past might be a strong candidates for their targeted marketing. But before we can build a predictive model, we need to prepare the data. And this involves cleaning the data to remove any errors or inconsistencies and encoding the data into a format that our algorithms can even understand. Now comes the modeling phase. So here we use some machine learning algorithms to train a predictive model on our prepared data set. And this model learns from the data, recognizes the pattern that indicates a likely buyer. Then next we move on to the evaluation phase, where basically we test our model's accuracy by using some key matrices like precision, recall, and the overall conversion rate of that. So this basically helps us to ensure that our model is effectively identifying our likely buyers and driving sales. Then finally, with our model is ready, it's time for the deployment, where we integrate this model into our marketing system, enabling real-time personalized marketing. So whenever a customer visits the website, this model predicts whether they are likely to buy, and if so, then the system tailors the marketing content to that customer. So now that we know what data science is, you might be asking yourself a question. Why should I learn data science? So let's break it down into 5 compelling reasons. So the number one reason, fuel of 21st century. So data is often called the new oil because of its immense value in today's digital age. Just as oil powered the 20th century, data is going to drive the 21st century. Like every click, every transaction, and every interaction generates data, and businesses can harness this data gain into a massive competitive advantage. Second, the problem of demand and supply. So the demand for data scientists far exceeds the supply. Companies across all industries are scrambling to find the skilled data science professionals to help them navigate the complexities of their data. And this imbalance between demand and supply makes data science one of the most sought after and high demand career in today's job market. The third one is a lucrative career. So if we talk about the financial aspects, the data science is not only in demand but also extremely lucrative, which means data scientists are among the highest paid professionals in the tech industry right now, with the salaries that reflects the value they bring to the organization. Plus, the career growth potential is also very enormous. The fourth reason is data science is changing the world. So data science is at the forefront of many of the technological advancements that we see today. From personalized recommendations on streaming platforms to predictive analytics in healthcare, data science is basically transforming how we live, work, and interact with technology today. It's enabling smarter decisions and creating us a more personalized experience over the internet. And finally, data science is the future. So, the future of data science is incredibly bright as technology continues to advance. The role of data science will only become more critical. With the growth of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data, the demand for data science expertise will continue to soar in the coming years. Now, data science isn't just limited to one industry. Its applications are vast and varied in different industries. The first one is e-commerce. So here, data science powers recommendation engines and personalized marketing and also enhancing their customer experiences. Next, we talk about manufacturing, where it basically optimizes production through the predictive maintenance and the quality assurance control. In banking, it's critical. Repeat. If we talk about banking sector, then it's very crucial for fraud detection and risk management there. If we move to the healthcare sector, there it enables predictive analytics and some personalized medicine to improve their patients' outcomes. If we talk about transport, then data science optimizes here's the routes and supports the autonomous vehicles. And lastly, finance, where it drives the investment strategies and market forecasting that basically helps them to manage their risks effectively. Now, let's talk about the people behind the data. They are data scientists. So, data scientists are the experts who use data, maths, and technology to analyze the information and help the businesses to make more informed decisions. Now, as a data scientist, here are some of the key skills that you need to access. They should know the programming language like Python or R. They should have an understanding of data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, or Excel. Understanding of machine learning and big data concepts are also must here. And other than that, they also need skills like communication and good problem solving. Now, you might be wondering how a data scientist differ from a data analyst, isn't it? So first, let's talk about their focus. So a data analyst primarily works with existing data to find the trends and create reports. In contrast, a data scientist goes further by developing a new methods and models for data analysis, often incorporating some machine learning techniques here. Next, if we look at the skills required for each role, then data analysts are proficient in tools like SQL, Excel, and data visualization platforms, whereas data scientists need the advanced programming skills in languages like Python and R, along with a deep knowledge of statistics and machine learning concepts. And finally, if we compare their typical tasks, then data analyst focuses on cleaning data, performing statistical analysis, and creating the visualization dashboards, whereas data scientists are responsible for building predictive models, developing algorithms, and handling large and complex data sets. Now, finally, let's clear up a common confusion, that is differences between business intelligence and data science. So here we will be focusing on four key areas, that is data type, its techniques, time focuses, and their tools. So first, let's look at the type of data each fields work with. So if we talk about business intelligence, then it mainly focuses on structured data, whereas data science deals with both structured and unstructured data. Next, if we talk about techniques used, then business intelligence relies heavily on statistics and visualization, whereas data science incorporates machine learning, natural language processing, and deep learning concepts for more advanced analysis. The third element is their time focus. So, business intelligence looks at past and present data, while data science focuses on predicting the future trends. And finally, if we look at the tools they use, then business intelligence that mainly works with Pentaho, ClickView, Microsoft BI, and R, whereas data science tools are Python, TensorFlow, and Keras. So that's all we have for this video, guys. I hope this short video definitely gave you a good understanding of what data science is all about and how it helps big giants to make more informed decisions. Now, if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and do share it with your fellow mates. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our ZaranTech YouTube channel for regular updates from us. So that's all, guys. Thank you all.
Hey there, want to get good at data science? Our Data Science Master Training course is here to help. You can take it at your own pace on our platform. In this course, you will learn all about data science. It's like a toolbox for analyzing data, from understanding trends to making predictions. Our course covers everything you need to know, from the basics to more advanced techniques. It's made by experts who know what they are talking about. Your teachers are pros who have been doing this for ages. They are here to help you learn and answer any questions you have. And don't just take our word for it. Our students love the course too. People just like you have found our course super helpful. Best part? It won't break the bank. This awesome opportunity to learn is affordable. Ready to become a data science pro? Sign up on our page now. For more info, check out ZaranTech's website